According to experts, it is recommended that the baby should be breastfed exclusively for the first 6 months so that the baby gets the necessary nutrients and antibodies to fight diseases. While the attitude towards breastfeeding in India is generally influenced by social, cultural, and economic factors, many women fail to openly share their problems in choosing between work life and breastfeeding becomes quite challenging for them. Whether be it breastfeeding or maternity concerns, World Breastfeeding Week gives us an opportunity to educate, promote, and support progressive trends to normalize breastfeeding as a special bond between the baby and mother. As numerous women in India are ignorant of their rights under Article 42 of the Indian Constitution and under the Maternity Benefit Act of 1961, we're here to tell you about some Indian law and policies related to breastfeeding at work for working mothers. The Maternity Benefits Act. This act requires employers to provide nursing breaks of prescribed duration for new mothers in order to express breast milk for nursing child. These nursing breaks are fully paid and are available until a child reaches the age of 15 months. While the Maternity Benefits Act was also amended in 2017, where every establishment having 50 or more employees must provide the facility of a crèche within such distance as proposed either separately or along with common facilities was added. Under this, a woman worker would be allowed 4 visits to the crèche in a day. So according to the crèche guidelines issued by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, one crèche should be provided for every 30 children between ages 6 months to 6 years of all types of employees. While the crèche must be located at the workplace or within 500 meters of the establishment. Employers are required to employ one crèche worker along with the helper for every 10 children under the age of 3 years and for every 20 children between the age group of 3 to 6 years. Apart from this, different states like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu in the country have laid down various acts for elevating maternity health in the states. However, these laws may vary from state to state, but has these following points in common. So let's take a look at them. So building and maintenance and sanitization of crèches should be provided, while the crèche should involve washing facilities and must be located within convenient distance from the workplace. Adequate supply of milk for each children per day is written down, while reasonable and adequate nursing breaks to nursing mother is also mentioned. Though various steps are taken to provide relief to nursing mothers, there are states which still do not have any specific breastfeeding laws and policies. While the increase in working women and importance of breastfeeding demands stronger maternity policies and quality childcare to enable women employees in all sectors to achieve positive breastfeeding outcomes. Hope this information helped you. For more such information, you can log on to india.com or the health site. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels.